Stop working harder. Every creator hits the wall where time becomes the enemy. In the digital marketplace, silence is a slow death for your brand, but trying to do everything manually is a fast track to exhaustion. The secret to scaling isn't more effort. It's the forbidden scroll of repurposing. One high-value video is the seed for a forest of content. We don't change the message, we change the delivery.
To create clones, you need a powerful original. A 10-minute video rich in value bombs is your most dangerous weapon in the marketplace. Every minute must hold a secret.
One video, 30 strikes. The AI creates shadow clones of your brand, each one hunting for leads across the digital landscape while you sleep. In a silent scroll world, your words must be seen to be heard. AI adds the visual mantra, dynamic captions that lock the viewer's eyes to your message. Static talking heads die in the first 3 seconds. We use AI to re-equip your video with B-roll, keeping the visual stimulation at peak levels. The marketplace is fractured. To dominate, you must exist in every dimension simultaneously. One export, 3 platforms, 0 extra work.
Data is the Sharingan of the entrepreneur.
We use AI to see what is working in real time, allowing us to evolve our content faster than the competition. A commander doesn't manually deploy every soldier. We use AI scheduling scrolls to ensure your brand is active while you focus on the next big vision. Content without conversion is just noise. We use AI call-to-action seals to turn viewers into followers and followers into customers. Domination isn't a single battle, it's a campaign. Once you master one prime asset, you replicate the process for every product in your armory. AI is the body, but your vision is the soul. We use style tuning to ensure every clone carries the unique mark of your brand's identity. The marketplace doesn't just buy, it follows power. When your content army is large enough, the momentum becomes an unstoppable force of nature. The ultimate goal of AI is not to replace the master, but to free him. By automating the cloning, you have reclaimed your most valuable resource, your creativity. The forbidden scroll is in your hands. Stop working harder. Start your army. The marketplace is waiting for its next commander. From snapshot to supermodel. Arise.